Kamusta?
Hello po.
Today we're gonna talk about
Everyday safety.
everyday safety.
Yes. Itatanong ako sa inyo mga questions tapos sasagutin nyo, okay?
Yes po.
If the doorbell rings, should you answer the door alone?
No po.
About you, Diana.
No po.
Why?
Kasi hindi ko alam kung sino yung
Mama,
nasa door.
Yes, that's right.
Oh.
What would you do when crossing the street or a road?
Stop muna, tas look sa left and right. And then,
Down na.
pag safe na, hold ka lagi sa hand ng mama mo.
Wait hold time.
Ang galing nga. Okay, next. Should you plug in electricity by yourself?
No po.
Yes.
Kasi it's dangerous. Kasi pag masya ka,
It ma.
magkakaryente, tas wala ka na.
Mama mo.
Is it safe to go near the stove when mama's cooking?
No.
No, because...
I don't.
Yeah, hot.
That one.
Eto next. Is it safe to go to the public washroom by yourself?
No po.
Yun, no. Kahit ako hindi naman kita pababayaan gumamit ka ng mag-isa sa public washroom. Yung mga washroom sa mall, mga washroom sa restaurant, is it safe na mag-isa ka lang pupunta?
No po.
No.
Kasi someone may take me.
Oo. As dalhin ka na kung saan. O, ikaw, Diana, if you find scissors and a knife,
Knife.
yeah, what are you going to do? Are you gonna touch it?
No po.
Why?
The knife is sharp.
Yes. Kasi pwede kang mahiwa.
Ask an adult to pick it up for you.
Okay, next. Diana, is it safe to put small object in your mouth? No.
Just food.
Yes, machuchok.
Not fail.
Yes, it's not safe. Should you play in a bucket of water without adult supervision?
No po.
Anong Tagalog ng bucket, dear?
Timba.
Timba. Oh, ano pa yung ginagamit mo pang ligo?
Tabo.
Hindi safe mag-play sa bucket, sa timba ng tubig nang walang adult kasi pwede kang
Drown.
mga nangyayaring ganun. Naglalaro sila sa bucket, nandun lang sila sa washroom, naiwanan sila ng mama nila din, pakita wala na yung baby. So, hindi yun safe nang walang nakasupervise sa'yo. Dapat laging may adult, okay? Tinuturo to sa inyo, yan yung mga everyday safety na dapat alam yung mga kids. Okay?
Maybe other.
Thanks for watching po. Matutulog na si Diana.
Bye po.
Sleep ka na.
Yes po. Good day. Ma.